In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out from Home Depot 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident adding an item to your cart, reviewing it, and moving straight to checkout without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to homedepot.com. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in your address bar so you know you're on the official site. If you already use an account, you can sign in now so your cart and preferences sync across devices, but it's not required for this walkthrough. Next, find the product you want to buy. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through categories like tools, appliances, or garden. When you land on a product page, take a moment to review the title, price, and availability. Check the specifications, ratings, and any pickup or delivery notes. If there are options such as size, quantity, or a specific style, choose the ones that match what you need. When everything looks good, click Add to Cart. You should see confirmation that the item has been placed in your cart. After adding the item, look for the prompt or link that lets you view your cart. Click View Cart to open the cart page. Here, you can double check the item name, the selected options, the price, and the quantity. If you need more than one, use the quantity selector to adjust it. You'll also see estimated taxes, fees, and any delivery or pickup notes. Make sure the correct store or delivery zip code is set so your availability and pricing are accurate. If you change your mind about anything, you can remove the item or continue shopping to add more. Once everything in your cart looks exactly right, it's time to move forward. Click Checkout. This takes you to the secure checkout flow where you'll confirm your details and complete the purchase. Have your preferred payment method ready and be prepared to verify your contact information and delivery or pickup preferences on the next screens. If you plan to use a promo or gift card, look for the field that appears during checkout and enter it carefully to avoid typos. That's it for this step by step. You've gone from the Home Depot homepage to adding an item, reviewing your cart, and initiating checkout in a clean, straightforward way. If you ever get stuck, refresh the page or try a different browser. And remember that accurate store or zip selection helps prevent surprises at checkout. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.